Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into Home Depot and their sales going on for the rest of the year. So if you guys don't know, if you haven't watched my previous Amazon Tools video or my previous Lowe's deals video, go ahead and check those out. This is the Home Depot version. So basically, with everything going on in today's world and shipping issues and supply issues and all of that going on, a lot of locations like Lowe's and Home Depot and stuff aren't doing their standard Black Friday deals or Christmas sale or end of the year sale. This is basically a long sale from now until the end of the year. Basically because they don't know the amount of tools, or the amount, not just tools, but everything. They don't know the amount that they'll get, or if they do know that amount, they don't know when they'll get their next shipment in. So you're going to see a lot of deals from now until the end of the year, but you might not see all of the same deals. Like when one of these sets is gone, it might be gone for the rest of the year because they don't know, they might not know when their next shipment of that product is going to be in. So basically, they're doing as many sales as possible from now until the end of the year. A lot of the deals aren't going to be quite as amazing as maybe your Black Friday deals would be, but they're definitely a lot better deals than what you have seen previously throughout the year. So definitely worth checking out, even if right now you don't see something that catches your eye or something you're interested in. Just check back every week or every 2 weeks, because the deals are going to continuously change from now until the end of the year. So if you guys are interested, it's worth a look. And always keep in mind, no matter where you find a deal, always check multiple different websites or locations to make sure that you're getting the best deal. Like Amazon right now has a lot of these tool sets on sale, but when you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, you are going to find that a lot of these sets are going to include a free tool or something along that lines to make it a better deal. So it's definitely worth checking out. So we're not going to go through all of the deals because there are hundreds, but at least for today, I'll go through a few pages, and then I'll try and update both Lowe's and Home Depot every 2 or 3 weeks until this sale is over with. So here you got some Ryobi 18-volt tools here. Good little variety pack. I personally have not used Ryobi tools. This one is on sale from $300 to $200. Dewalt Atomic 20-volt set. It's going to include 2 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. It is going to be the smaller amp hour batteries. Here it says 1.3 amp hour batteries. For $150, down from $230. Here's a pretty decent set. You get a wide variety of different tools. You get the drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, sander, work light, a couple of 2 amp hour batteries, a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and a hard case. So definitely a good variety of tools there, and a nice case to hold it all. Down from $700 to $500. Here's a rigid table saw for $400, down from $550. And I'm not going to go over everything, just kind of some of the better deals. Here, once again, the Husky. You see a lot of those Husky, Craftsman, Cobalt, a lot of these brands with their 3-drawer little tool sets. And they're great deals when they're at this $100 price range compared to what they sell for the rest of the year, because that range is anywhere from $200 to $300. So this set is on sale for $100 right now, down from $200. Here you get a Milwaukee M18 Battery Set. You get 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $200. So Lowe's has this same deal for the Dewalt 5 amp hour batteries, and when you buy this, you are going to get a free tool, and you get to select from the jigsaw, compact router, drywall screw gun, reciprocating saw, leaf blower, wireless job site speaker, impact driver, sander, light, and multi-tool. So definitely a good selection there. I think that's a good deal because each one of these values around $100 or more. So here you have a 20-volt Dewalt drill, brushless, half-inch drive. It is going to come with the 2 smaller batteries, once again, for $100, down from $160. That's everything included. Here you have a Milwaukee drill and impact driver at $180, down from $230. You'll get 2 batteries, the 2 amp hour battery, the 4 amp hour battery, the 2 tools, the charger, and the case. Here's another one of those Milwaukee deals where you're getting a free tool included. So this is a $400 set. You're going to get the hammer drill and impact driver with 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case. And then once again, those same free tools are included to select from. Here you have the Milwaukee M18 and M12 kind of combo kit. You get the old style cordless ratchet and the kind of lower end impact, and that is $200 down from $420. Here is the toolbox that I actually have, the 52-inch, and that's actually a little bit more than what I paid for it, but the price has went up in the last 6 or 7 years. So on sale at $900 down from $1,000. I got mine for the lower $800 at the time, so still, I've been extremely happy with this toolbox. Here they have a 15 amp, 8 1/4 inch compact table saw for $300 down from $400. Ryobi sliding compound miter saw down from $220 to $180. Here they have a Milwaukee pack out down to $230 from $310. Here they have a Milwaukee M18 kind of cordless, very versatile set. Here you get a lot of different stuff: oscillating tool, grinder, blower, circular saw, impact driver, drill, flashlight, impact, reciprocating saw, charger, and 3 4 amp hour batteries. So 9 tools total with the bag, and it is $600 down from $1,200. So half off there, or a savings of $600. It is not their top of the line stuff, but still, if you're looking for a good affordable little set for home improvement jobs around the house, I think that's a pretty decent deal. Here's a Husky 290 piece set, so a little bit larger set. This is a 2-drawer one for $150 down from $240, so $90 off. A lot of Milwaukee deals going on here, and we'll just do a few pages so we're not here all day, because these deals are definitely going to be fluctuating and changing throughout the rest of the year. Some Ryobi 4 amp hour batteries at $100 down from $150. The 20 volt half-inch impact, high torque impact with a 4 amp hour battery down to $250 from $320. So on having up to 700 foot-pounds of max torque or 1,200 foot-pounds of max breakaway. Once again, here's another set from Milwaukee on sale at $200 down from $350. This isn't their fuel lineup, but still a good selection of M12 tools. You got a little impact driver, the cordless ratchet, saw, light, and reciprocating saw. Here they have a Milwaukee Toolbox 61-inch 11-drawer down to $850 basically from $980, so a savings of $130. I had a hard time choosing between the Milwaukee and the Husky boxes when I was buying mine years ago, and because the quality is so similar, I think the deciding factor was the layout of the boxes and what I was looking for at the time. So I wouldn't be afraid to buy the Milwaukee box, but the same thing can be said about the Husky boxes. Their boxes have a wide variety of different quality. There are a lot of Husky boxes that are on the cheaper end that you can definitely tell are of different quality than some of their better boxes. So it's definitely something, when it comes to Milwaukee and Husky boxes, I always want to get my hands on them first to make sure they're of the quality that I'm seeking. Here they have a Dewalt miniature circular saw, 4.5-inch circular saw at $100 down from $150. The reciprocating saw for $100 down from $150. So both some good deals there. And obviously you're always going to see, especially in stores, those bit sets and drill bit sets and accessory sets and all of that. Those are going to be on sale like crazy all over the place. So definitely keep your eye out for those if you're in need of any replacing. Here they have the M18 Fuel Reciprocating Saw with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $200 down from $460. So definitely good savings there. You're going to get 2 5 amp hour batteries. Here they have 2 of the 6 amp hour flex volt batteries for $179. Shoot, that's better than the deal. I almost bought 2 5 amp hour 20 volt batteries for $200. So that's a pretty decent deal right there. So here once again, I've never used Ryobi tools except for a cordless glue gun for work. And I wasn't very pleased with that, but we won't get into that. Here is a Ryobi 18-volt half-inch drive drill with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $80, down from $100. Here they have a couple of 3 amp-hour batteries from Dewalt 20-volt for $100, down from $180. Here they have a Gearwrench socket set. This is a 232-piece set. Gearwrench is a little bit higher than your Husky and your Cobalt and Craftsman sets. Not on sale. This is $300. On sale, it is $200 right now. So still a good deal, especially for the Gearwrench stuff. You got a couple of good 90-tooth ratchets in there. Ratcheting wrenches, definitely a nice little set there. Here you get 2 3 amp-hour M12 batteries for $99, down from $130. Here's a nice little set for $300, down from $350, so a savings of $50. You're going to get the M12 lineup, the impact driver, the drill, charger, a 2 amp-hour, 4 amp-hour, and a bag, plus a older style 3/8 cordless ratchet. So here's a larger Husky box where they've basically got almost the same bottom design as mine, but they've added a side cabinet and a upper cabinet on it, which is kind of a cool design. This one is at $1,300, down from $1,400, so a savings of $100. You got a power strip on the side, a few outlets, and a couple USBs. You got a pegboard and a power strip along the back on the inside. The side cabinet, you have some pegboard and a couple shelves. I wish they would have kind of built that in like they did the other power strips in their boxes, like this. But I mean, it is what it is. That would have been one that I would have considered. They do have dual slides on the larger upper drawer and the lower larger drawers, so that is nice to see. But this is definitely one that I would have considered if it were available when I bought my 52-inch. Then here they have a Milwaukee 3/8 drive socket set, 56-piece for $100, down from $190. I would definitely never buy that at $190. I like Milwaukee power tools. I don't use a whole lot of their hand tools, not because they're bad quality, but mainly due to the fact, just like a lot of the Craftsman stuff, not that any of it's horrible quality or anything, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is their name has associated with a high-end power tool, their brand, and with that, it has given the prices on a lot of their hand tools a markup, and a markup at a limit that I'm not willing to spend, because I know of how many different brands are out there that are the same quality or better quality for better pricing. So in no way am I saying Milwaukee hand tools are bad. I would definitely own some Milwaukee hand tools and wouldn't be afraid to use them if they were priced better. Like this at $100, that's a lot more reasonable than your almost $200 for a 56-piece set. So here is a Gearwrench 106-piece set for $100, down from $150. So its original pricing was better than the Milwaukee 56-piece set, and you got almost double the pieces in this set. And this is 1/4 inch and 3/8 90-tooth ratchets. I've had very good experience with the 90-tooth ratchets, good quality sockets, especially for the price. $100, really good deal. So definitely, to me, that seems like the better deal than the Milwaukee set. I still think the Milwaukee set on sale is a pretty decent deal, but Gearwrench is definitely the better deal there. Like I said, Milwaukee needs to work on their pricing of their hand tools, because they would sell like crazy if they had better pricing on them, but to each their own. I know some people that just love Milwaukee and just love Gearwrench and are going to stick that route, but it's all personal opinion or personal preference. But that's it as far as we're going to go today. There are definitely a lot of good deals, obviously, on the Home Depot. You saw a lot of Milwaukee deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will try to do an update of these, both Lowe's and Home Depot year-end sale, every 2 or 3 weeks until this sale is over with. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Also, keep in mind, when you're looking at these deals, make sure you check out if you're looking at Home Depot check out Lowe's. If you're looking at Lowe's, vice versa. Same thing with Amazon, because a lot of places are doing sales like this, and a lot of these toolkit combos are coming with free tools, so it's definitely worth a look. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.